States of matter: solid, liquid, gas, and plasma. Solid particles vibrate or move back and forth in their place. They have a definite shape and volume. There are two types of solids: crystalline solids, which repeat in pattern, and amorphous solids. They don't. Liquids. Particles slide past each other and can move over larger distances. Liquids have definite volume, but no definite shape. Gas. Gas particles have a larger space in between them, which allows them to move freely without hitting to each other. They don't have a fixed shape, nor do they have a fixed volume, and they can easily be squashed. Plasma. Plasma and gas are different because plasma conducts electricity and gas doesn't. In plasma, the electrons are free to move and they are not bounded in an atom or molecule. Plasma has an indefinite volume and shape.
It is very important to understand the properties of matter because everything is made up of matter. Each type of matter has different physical and chemical properties which can be observed or calculated. The particles that make up matter are not small bits of solid or small drops of liquid, but atoms and molecules. Knowing the state of matter, we can determine their properties. If we know the state of matter and their properties, we can observe space and try to describe how something is made and how something functions in space.
Astrophysicists study about space, universes, and everything beyond them. They use many devices such as telescopes in their studies. They collect data from space about radio waves from distant pulsars or images of exoplanets or passing meteorites. They use their offices a lot to study that data that they collect. They don't often use labs, but they can sometimes use them. They usually work around 35 to 40 hours per week, but sometimes it can be more. In order for someone to become an astrophysicist, they would have to study physics in university, major in astrophysics, get a bachelor, master's, and PhD. A very well-known astrophysicist is also Neil deGrasse Tyson, that I think most of us are familiar with.
A star is mostly made out of hydrogen and helium. It exists in the aggregation state that we call plasma. When a star runs out of fuel, it pops. And some stars form black holes.
Galaxies are collections of stars, interstellar gas, cosmic dust, and dark matter, which all have states of matter. Stars have the states of matter of plasma, interstellar gas have the state of matter of gas, and cosmic dust have the state of matter of solid. As far as we know, there is no liquid state of matter in space, and they are all held together by gravity. Galaxies are thought to begin as small clouds of stars and dust are swirling through space. As other clouds get close, gravity sends these objects into one another and knits them into larger spinning packs.
Recycling is gas flowing into distant galaxies that are actively creating baby stars. Everything starts with hot bubbles. After the hot bubbles, clouds are formed from hydrogen atoms. After that, clouds are formed from hydrogen molecules and dust. After this, a star is formed. After some time, the star will explode. The gas will be released into space and the cycle will continue.